Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, I've been hiding, so this is where I've been. This is the farmhouse at Cayley Mountain Resort. So I've been hiding here for quite some time. So let me show you. Let's do a little bit of like a apartment tour. This is the only villa that they have in this whole place. So we were lucky to have this one. When we first heard that we're gonna be staying in the farmhouse, we are kind of like not happy, but let me see what we found when we got in here. So this is how the house looked like, from the reception area. And then let's start in from this, then you can be able to see. Yeah, this is the map about this place. And right over here, I think this is like a serving counter. You can put your decors in there. And then one of the rooms, I think, let me get in here and show you. So in this room in particular, you're finding the cupboard here where you put in your stuff. And then there's a TV. This is like 37-inch Samsung TV. You find a mirror over there. And then a study table, a double bed, and then there's a shower and a toilet in there. And there's a sliding door to go outside over there. That's windows. And you got this is for the fan. There's actually no an aircon here. And then this is our living area. And let's see what we find in the living area. This is like a 40-inch Samsung TV, which is connected to, I think, this TV light. And you can only control it using one remote to actually change the channels and stuff. And you find this. So this TV is actually mounted. It's not sitting on the stand. And you find, I don't know, this is a plant, fake plant. These decor things, the jars over there. What's in here? Never look. There's nothing. And then you find this floor runner here, the coffee table, and this L-shaped couch, and that thing over there that I was just throwing myself on it. Something to hang your clothes on, and the ironing board. Let's look at the kitchen. So the kitchen is a breakfast bar with a gas stove, double door fridge by Hisense, Define microwave, and the material that you find in here, you won't actually believe, like, it's just a farmhouse, everything is like fully finished. I open there and I'm finding like the spoons, everything is in order. And I guess that's what happened when you stay in a hotel and somebody takes care of everything. We've got a dishwasher here, we never used it, and then the sink where we were like washing our stuff, which we never did. We've got this utensils and appliances. We have these appliances here, which is the kettle, the toaster, and then there's a bread bin over there. I think we never got to use apart from the kettle. And I think here there's mugs and side plates and all those things, the glasses. And moving right along here, this is where you're finding a shower and a toilet. So this is for everyone. Main bedroom. And the main bedroom, look at it. The guy who has the main bedroom. And welcome to where I've been staying. So starting from here, you also find the same. This is for the lights. So you've got two sets of lights here. And the lights right there by the bed, remote control for the fan. And this is my storage where I never got to put anything. But I like how this thing is, because sometimes if it would have doors for you to close and open, it was gonna hit the wall or hit this door. They provide hangers, the fan heater, extra blankets, and a safe. So they actually provide a safe. There's a safe here. I never got to use this thing, so it's been sitting there. And this is the bed that I've been crashing on. So this like had two of everything, two towels, and then we got like the lights over there, 3 sets of pillows. And let's look at, so this is the only room or the only entry that has double of everything. So I've got a shower as well as the bathtub. Also got like a 32-inch TV, which doesn't look so clear, but that's what it is. And then looking outside here, I didn't actually tell you guys where I am, so I'm gonna take you out there and show you where exactly I am. So let me just set my camera nicely. So I'm actually at Drakensberg.
IoT was going to be a fridge that would notify us when we ran out of milk while we were in the shops. Turns out from last night, that's a real thing. So we should have replaced Donald Trump with Aki, but alas, we learn on the go. The big thing for us is to understand the importance of IoT. We
get left behind. And if you look at today and what we're doing on social media, and you just look at this in real time, how many people are sending WhatsApps, how many people are posting on Instagram as we speak right now. This is using analytics and using specific algorithms. We start learning a lot of things about